In this video, I will show you how to dropship from Shein to Shopify. So I'll show you how you can import products within one click, even bulk, so that you can import dozens of products at once. And I'll show you how you can automate the order fulfillment and how you can automatically keep track of the stock on Shein and if the prices increase, so that you don't sell at a loss and you don't keep selling when it's out of stock and need to end up refunding a bunch of people. So the tool we are going to use to do this all is called AutoDS. You may have heard of it if you're into dropshipping. It's a very good automated dropshipping tool that allows you to do everything I just mentioned, and they help you import products from Shein onto your Shopify store. So first, you want to go and create your Shopify account if you haven't done that yet. Through the link down in the description, you can get started for free with their free trial, and after that it will only be $1 or euro or whatever currency you use per month. So if you want to claim that deal, go and click on the link down in the description to get started. After doing that, click on the AutoDS link in the description, and through that link you will get an extended 30-day trial instead of the usual 14 days. So after clicking on that link, it will take you to this page. From here, just enter your email address, full name and password. Next, you want to select your selling channel. So here you want to go and pick Shopify. Now here you can choose to pay monthly or annually if you'd like to. And then here you can pick your package. Now I recommend getting the starter 500 package as your first plan. You can later upgrade, but I recommend skipping the import 200 one because here you don't get price and stock monitoring, which basically means that you don't keep selling when it's out of stock, and if the price increases they will notify you, which is very helpful if you have a lot of products on your store. So then you can just click start now for $1, and then here enter your payment details or select PayPal, Payoneer or Google Pay and just click continue, and then you have started your 30-day trial. So after you start your trial, you will see this. So go and close this. Now it will say add store. That's what you want to click on. And now you want to make sure you already have a tab open where you're signed into your Shopify account. And then click I have a Shopify store connected to AutoDS, and then click continue. Now, since you already have a tab open where you are signed in, you can just go and click install right here. And by the way, you can see on the Shopify App Store, they have a rating of 4.9 stars out of 5 with over 10,000 reviews, which is a really good score. So now go and confirm by clicking on install again. And then you will have installed the AutoDS app on your Shopify store. So next up, go and close this. And now here you can click add products and then select single product. Now here you need to enter a URL to a product. So now we can actually go to Shein and find a product we want to sell on the Shopify store. For example, I will sell this sweater, and you can see it has a bunch of different colors and different sizes and more options right here. Now it will import all of that, and I'll show you how this works. Now you can even import the reviews along with the actual product. Now you can see these images actually have the Shein branding over it, so this may not be a perfect image to take, so I'll just find a different one. So after finding a product, just take the link, then go to AutoDS and paste in that link here, and you will see the supplier source now changes to Shein. Now click edit now. And by the way, if you also sign up through the link in the description, if you follow this simple checklist, which we are going through now, you will get $40 in auto ordering credits, which is a pretty huge amount. But just wait for the product to load right here, and then you can edit and optimize the title and description using AutoDS's AI. So after the product has imported, what you can then do is click on it, and then here you can click optimize title with AI, and then you can choose to do title and description, make it sound more professional, sellable, whatever you want to do, and then click AI write, and then the AI will write a new title and a new description for you. So after you're done, I recommend turning on the stock and price monitoring right here, and then click save and import. Now the product is going to be imported onto your Shopify store along with all the colors and all of that. So on Shopify, if you now go to products right here, you can just wait for the product to load. It will take a couple of seconds, but it will show up right here. So as you can see, we now have it right here, and I can actually view it on my store. And now people can go and buy this, and of course you can change the price and stuff like that. And then if you want to have automated fulfillment on AutoDS, you want to go to settings in the bottom left. From here, for the supplier, go to Shein, And then from here, what you want to go ahead and do is first, I recommend just turning on stock and price monitoring, clicking save, and then here go to orders. And then here make sure that process orders using the fulfilled by AutoDS service is on, and so is the automatic orders, so click save. And now here to do automatic orders, you will need to have a buyer account. So click add account, and now here for the supplier, you want to select Shein if it's right there. And basically a buyer account is a payment method that you're going to use to pay for the orders so that AutoDS can actually auto order the products from Shein and ship them to your customer on Shopify. So now just go and customize your Shopify store and the Shein products will be imported. Now what you can also do is on AutoDS click add products, then do multiple products and just add all of them right here at once. And then you can bulk import products onto your Shopify store. So now when a product runs out of stock or maybe the price increases or anything like that, you will be notified by AutoDS and you won't start selling the product at a loss. And if you've had a Shopify store before where you have hundreds of products, you probably know how important that could be. Now, a product like this would also work very well. So again, just take the link, go to AutoDS, click add products, and click single product and just go ahead and import it, and the supplier source should change to Shein automatically, and you can publish it to your store directly or click edit now first and just go and update the title and description and stuff like that. Now again, if you want to get started with Shopify for free and then your first month or even first 3 months, I think, for only $1 per month, then go and click on the link down in the description to claim that. And also if you want to get an extended 30-day trial instead of 14 days on AutoDS, then go and click on the AutoDS link down in the description as well. So now you know how to dropship from Shein to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.